This is a little video on how to import a macro. Now if you have a look at this, I've just got an image loaded. I'll touch the question mark down the bottom right hand corner, if I can get it on there. There we go. And you can see Macro Studio. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6 up from the bottom. Make sure you know where your macro is. Touch that button there and you can see there's a whole bunch of macros there. And default is okay. Mud's macros is there. Doesn't matter where it is. Let's just go back to default. No scale, no alignment. And where you see macros up the top there, click on the sandwich. You can remove a category, rename a category, or import macros. Let's import a macro. There's Mud Macros 2, which I've already got. Matters not, we can put 2 in. Click on it. It loads it in. Mud's Macros 2. And there you go. It's just loaded it in and they're available to you straight there. How easy is that? Too lovely. And of course, you know how to use them. There we go. All gone.